Ito po ang Motorsport Park Suvarnabhumi. Ito po ay nasa Romclao and it has a racetrack po. Dito po maraming nagte-training dito. At inibitahan tayo ngayon ng tropa natin na si Boss Dave. And then we also took advantage of this opportunity po para mailagay natin yung sticker natin dun sa coffee shop nila sa baba. สวัสดีครับชื่อ Fernando นะครับผม
เช่นกันครับดีโน่ค่ะ
Nice to meet you. So guys, ito po ngayon, papasok tayo sa racetrack. Bawal po open pipe dito sa track pero we were permitted po to use our bikes. Na ano, baw-baw lang. Mahina lang yung bomba. Bawal bomba pala, bawal bomba. Okay. So guys, ready na ba kayo sa racetrack experience?
Ready na.
Kaway-kaway, Boss James.
Ready na, stock lang ang baon.
Tak lang ang baon. Let's go. Timon. Yeah. Tayo kay Mr. Bon. Start vô lúc này ạ. Start vô lúc này ạ. Ui. Yo, sulit. Oh, larga. So guys, dito tayo sa racetrack ngayon. Saya. Wala tayong helmet pero slow lang tayo. Chill lang tayo dito. Tapos very nice and clean racetrack. Wala pong paakyat, walang pababa. It's flat, but it's nice. Ito tropa natin, no? Masaya sila, masaya. Boss Dave, ito si Boss Dave. Hello. Thank you for inviting us.
No problem.
Masayang masaya yung mga boys, oh.
You're always welcome.
Ano bang magkano dito?
Track day only 500 baht. So if you want to rent a motorcycle with a gasoline, that's 1,500. So that's whole day na, track day.
Okay, dito sila, oh. Ay, swerte nyo, ha. Libre kayo dito.
Free.
Ito yung mga riders natin for today. Bro, iwan ka muna, ha.
Okay.
So, how's your experience, boss?
The best, stock lang baon.
Break in?
Ito yung magandang break-in.
Okay, right.
Salamat, experience boss.
Maybe next time, imbitahan natin yung mga tropa natin na dito mag-practice pa. Eh, importante din na pag-ensayo. Hindi lang sa pagpatakbo ng mabilis, kundi kung paano din ang proper braking. Kasi hindi tayo makakapagpatakbo ng mabilis kung hindi natin alam kung paano pahintuin yung motor natin, di ba? So, we all need to know all the skills. You know? Banking si boss. Uy! May mahabol! Bawal nga lang bumomba. Bawal tayo bumomba kasi itong property po na ito ay malapit sa maraming mga bahay, mga villages, kaya ang allowed lang dito is yung OEM pipes. So it's very good for practice, balance, braking, handling, tsaka yung proper positioning ng body. So I hope guys, next time pwede tayong makapag-track event dito with the help of our sponsors at supportan ng mga kaibigan natin. We can try this track, maybe a day or half day lang. Let's see kung maraming magjo-join. So post lang natin kung meron tayong event for track day dito po sa mga kababayan natin, mga Pilipino dito sa Thailand. We can actually use this track para po sa event na yun. And thank you very much for watching Pinoy Thailand Edition. Guys, please po share this video and thank you very much sa inyong suporta. Bye.